At what temperature should you feed your fish? Hey, it's Derek, JBI Secret Gardens. Do you know exactly what the water temperature should be before you start feeding your fish again? Well, it's almost spring, they're starting to wake up, so the best way to do it is to use a trusty pond thermometer. So right now, the ambient temperature is about 56 degrees. Let's see what the water is. Going down, going down. It's holding right at 52 degrees. So these guys can eat. Yummy. So make sure before you feed your fish, because their metabolism can still be slowed down, that the water temperature is at least 50 degrees, and then you'll have happy fish and you can start feeding throughout the season again. So